today let's start with chapter number 3, self-control. In this chapter we will study about कि आपको आपके अंदर अपने आप कैसे आपको अपने आप को self control करना, अपने आप को control. Just think, you often face these two choices in life. Have fun or have control? You have to make your own decision because you are growing up and you are being given more freedom about your action. आपको और freedom दिया है. Having no control over what you say or how you behave is bad for you. It's important to watch all your action and learn to practice self-control. Self-control क्या है? Self-control is also called discipline. Discipline means doing what you know you should do. It means being regular in your habit. Disciplined people set a time for watching television, playing games, and for studies. They are strict with themselves. Imagine what would happen if the sun, moon, star, and planet would work in a perfect discipline. अगर ये सारी चीजें एक perfect discipline में नहीं चलेंगी तो क्या होगा? The sun rises every day without fail. The earth never wanders away from its orbit. And must we not follow their example? लेकिन तब भी हम उनका example follow नहीं करते. ठीक है? Almost every admires self-control even who does not have it. A disciplined person is a joy or to himself and others. He has the strength to say no to temptation. That does not mean he is boring. He is to have fun but within a limits. अगर हम बात करें strangely, when you have self-control, you have more freedom, while unrestrained ones are slave to their control. Let's read the story to understand better. Long ago in Belgium, a great teacher had 4 bright students, Charlie, Noddy, Cinch and Rob. ठीक है? Each 4 thought that they were the brightest and the best students. सोचते थे कि हम brightest हैं, best है. And the teacher decided to test it. और teacher ने सोचा चलो मैं इनका test करती हूँ. He told what they would have to remain silent for 2 days and night. उसने कहा कि आपको 2 दिन और night के लिए क्या रहना है, silent रहना है. ठीक है? And must not speak at all. The one pass the test would be the brightest. जिसने इसको pass कर लिया वो क्या होगा? Brightest. ठीक है? The 4 students thought that it was easy test for a bit straight. On the first day, they went about and worked silently. The whole day went by. ठीक है? ऐसे पूरा दिन निकल गया. And it was night. The light candle and set silently white light. Charlie was thinking about the future and nobody about past. Noddy about past. देखो जो चार्ली थी वो तो फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचती थी और नॉडी जो है पास्ट के. और सेंचेन जो था वो एक न्यूज़पेपर रीड कर रहा था. And Robita was writing a letter. Suddenly a candle went out. Oh no, the candle is out. कौन shout करता है? Charlie. You have lost. You talked and laughed. Shinchan. और Shinchan हंसता है. Ha. So did you? Shinchan said Noddy. Hey, I am the winner, shouted Robita. I was last to break the silence. All of them looked at their teacher. None of you have passed the test. He said, shaking his head sadly. You don't have self-control. You don't have discipline. ना तुम्हारे अंदर discipline है. You cannot control yourself even for 2 days. To do well in life, you must not only study well but also have discipline. आप ये नहीं है कि आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना ही है. उसके साथ साथ आपके अंदर क्या होना चाहिए? Discipline भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.